Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you through our 2019 XT22 Mastercraft. This boat is the white and red, very stately looking boat. It's got the C-deck swim platform with the C-deck walk-through. This boat has the reversible rear-facing couch lounge. It's got the wakeboard and surf swivel racks on the Z4 tower, hanging with the two twin Klish tower speakers. It's got the C-deck flooring, lots of storage, this towed away Mastercraft cooler over here on the port side, tons of storage under the bench seat. Also flip up storage under the bow for all your gear, ropes, life jackets, whatnot. Has the stowaway hidden garbage can, air dam walk-through, dual gauge control, very nice wide bow, anchor locker right there. Here's the reversible seat, very easy to operate. That way you can look out backwards and watch everybody pull some awesome tricks wake surfing and wakeboard. Come and check out this Mastercraft 2019 XT22 equipped with the 363 horsepower engine for all your family fun. Come and check us out at MarineMax in Greenville and at MarineMaxGreenville.com.